tayo ngayon sa Incheon International Airport sa South Korea. Ayan. Habang hinihintay natin yung ating mga kasama, mamaya ay pupunta naman tayo ng Busan at nagba-bullet train daw. So, train to Busan ang mangyayari.
Going to attach the we're in Seoul now, so
yeah,
this is Seoul.
it's the center of South Korea, you know.
Okay lang. Dami na tayo Seoul. Papakin niya ng video eh.
Oo, ma'am na.
Oo, gawa tayo separate GC pala. Ganda kasi ng pwesto na kaya Dante. What's the region again? The province?
Gyeonggi province is a huge province, and we are like the
That's the parliament, right?
National Assembly.
This is the
Parliament.
HOR.
okay.
Yan yung batasan pambansa.
Jason is
Kasi nga inutusan ako ni Mon, sabi, zoom mo. Sige, zoom naman ako.
Kasi layo.
Green one, it's a corporate car.
What does it mean?
Corporate? It's a company car.
Okay. Why do you
Like expensive cars with.
So white plate.
So they
Train to Busan. This is train to Busan. Yes, selfie. Ito na yung train to Busan, guys. Ayan. Ayun. Woo! Napagod na.
so. Uy, ito sa nagtago. Ayan o, dito.
Sa pier. Kasi kung saan, no? Establishment.